She's a Mona Lisa.
I'll show you guys
Everyone's
my hair.
lining up to see it.
Hi guys. Okay, so today is the day as the title of this video, which I don't know what the title will be, but whatever the title is, today I am indeed getting my hair cut and I'm getting my hair done and everything, and I'm going to be taking you guys with me. I'm not sure if I'm gonna take you guys inside because I don't know if the girl is gonna be like cool with me like filming and stuff. And my skin is breaking out again and it looks horrible, and it's really bad because today I am getting my hair cut, so I want to look good, but like I can't cover it up because I'm just breaking out. I feel really embarrassed to show you guys, but also like this is me. Like I cannot hide this. I really can't. As much as I hate it, I can't. But yeah, just act like you guys don't see it. Like just act like it's not there, please. Like please, please, please. You don't see it, okay? It's not there. It's not there. Also, I want to take you guys with because I actually have to get something for my car. This morning I went to Target because if you guys didn't watch last week's video, which please go watch it after this one, my friend's birthday is in a couple of days, so I went to Target. I bought her some stuff that she wanted, so I'm making her a little cute basket. I got her some goodies at Target because I wasn't gonna go to any other store besides Target at 8 o'clock in the morning. So since she's going on a trip, I was thinking like she could have a good snack box on the way to like wherever she's going. I forgot where she's going, but she's gonna see snow, so it's gonna be a little car ride. So I was like, you know what, I might as well just get her a lot of stuff so she could like eat during the car ride. Got her some candy. I got this. She actually didn't ask for this, but like I couldn't find the right brand, so I just got her a healthier brand than the brand that she wanted. Same with this. They didn't have like the yellow bag of this. They had the 70% less fat, so it's a lot healthier. She won't mind. I got her this. She asked for it, and then she asked for this. I don't know why, but I got it for her. They didn't have the small boxes, so I got her the family box. She'll love it. And then this is what I made her. It's not custom, but it has a meaning to it. So if you guys watched the Avatar The Last Airbender, you guys will know the 20th episode called The Sage of the North Part 2. So remember, it's like basically like yin and yang, but they're called, I think it's 𝗂 or 𝗂, something like that. Anyways, so I drew her. I gave her a whole meaning towards it and like what it stands for and stuff, and then like her happy birthday letter. So I did that, and mine is the black one. There's reasons as to why I am the black fish and she is the white koi fish. I'll show you guys what hers looks like. I got this on Etsy. If you guys are interested, I'll link the link down below. This is so cute, guys. Do you guys see it? Like, it's so colorful and like it like fits. Everything fits in here. What are you doing? Wait. Do you wanna
Spit it out, woman.
do you wanna open your door?
No.
Open your door.
No, I'm good.
No.
You know, I'm all the way upstairs.
Ma'am.
Downstairs.
Open
Sounds
your
like
door.
a lot of hassle.
Oh my god, I have my curler in again. Hold up, vlog camera.
I can't believe you took it off. Happy early birthday.
Thank you, Jenny. Oh my god, what the heck? Why'd you get me so much?
I got you everything that you wanted.
I see that.
Do you
Oh my
like?
god.
Do you think she likes?
I love it.
Alright, hi guys, so I made it to the place. It's really different from my city. If you know, then you know. I left early because I didn't want to like be lost, so I'm here a little bit early and I have to wait a little bit, which I don't mind at all. I'm nervous, like, and it doesn't help that like I look really bad, so I can't feel confident like that. Just wanted to update you guys. I'll try and get clips. If I can't, I'm sorry. Okay, I drove home, but guys, this is crazy. I look so good. Do you guys see this? Oh my gosh, I look so different. Just imagine it without me like breaking out. Like, wow, this is crazy. Okay, I have to go get mail. I'll catch up with you guys whenever I'm in my room. Hi guys. Okay, so I just want to show you guys what a good student I am. And I got 96 out of 100 psych test. This is my first test for psych, so yeah, I'm getting straight A's this semester. Count me on it. I'm manifesting it. So I'm going to continue this video in like a day or two just because I look really bad today, and I obviously got my hair done, but like I don't feel confident enough to like post anything on Instagram or anything. So we're gonna continue this little party, and Jennifer, woohoo, she dyed her hair finally and it looks really good. We're gonna continue it to the next day or the next day after that. To give you guys a break from seeing me ugly, I am going to be getting ready. So I'll see you guys in literally a second for you, but 2 days for me. Degrees and I have shorts on. Hi guys. Oh my gosh, it's a full day. Well, would it be a full day? I guess it would. It's the next day and you guys see me with my hair. My face isn't as gross as it was yesterday. It's currently 8:06. Yup, I was awake at 5 in the morning. I have my mom to thank for that because she was making a lot of noise in the kitchen for some odd reason. Like, she was cooking and I was like, bro, at 5 in the morning, like, could you really not sleep? Like, oh my gosh. I had a dream about my hair. I had a dream that I was in school still, and I went to school and I showed my hair off to everyone, and everybody was like, oh my gosh, like, you look so different, blah 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 and stuff. But like in my dream, my hair was more orange. Like, it was orange blonde, not this, not like the silver, you know, a cool nice blonde. It was orange and I was just terrified. So I'm happy I woke up from it, but I just lost like a bunch of sleep. All right, like I said yesterday, we are going to revamp the way I look. So I already got my hair done and I'm about to go to Target. Later today I do have an interview, so I guess I'm gonna post up looking real good, you know? Do you guys like it? Like, comment down below if you like it. Ah, that is so ugly. But like, okay, look, I'll explain, okay? If you guys want me to explain, I'll explain. But I won't explain it in this video because I don't want to talk about my hair if you guys don't want to hear it, you know? Do I look more Asian? Like, do I look good, guys? Let me know. Let me know. I'm gonna go pick up my stuff, and then when I'm done, I'll catch up with you guys whenever I'm in the process of getting ready and stuff. This morning I already put sunscreen on, so like I'm pretty moisturized, to be honest. I'm going to put primer on, but I use this. Do you guys see it? Do you see it? Do you see it? I'm gonna try the powder first, then foundation.
Yeah. Yeah. 1616161616. Hey, back up, back up, back up.
I am trying to find an outfit, one for photos, but also two for my interview. I'm trying to like change up my Instagram, like the whole feed and the coloring and all of that. I want to wear something neutral toned. I kind of really like this top that I wore, but I never posted it on Instagram. It was just for that one TikTok. Or I have this top that's really neutral, you know. Might try that. All right, I'm gonna see how I feel about either of those both, and then I'll show you guys my amazing photos.
Only been a week or so, trying to find love in the city of gold. Chic as fuck, they, oh my god, killing me to death when I see those eyes. Run until I find that face that drives me in with the body that's shaved. Fine and curvy, but slightly dirty. Can find an hour, but I'm on the journey.
Coi sao? Hả? Coi sao?
Trời ơi, nhiêu tiền vậy? Màu này cũng đẹp.
Đẹp không?
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why?